Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn about atoms. Just as all the houses are made up of bricks, in the same way, all the matter is made up of atoms. Thus, atoms are the building blocks of all the matter around us. In chemistry, atom is defined as follows. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. Atoms of most of the elements are very reactive and do not exist in the free state. They exist in the combination with the atoms of the same element or another element. Atoms are very small in size. The size of an atom is indicated by its radius, which is called atomic radius, that is radius of atom. Atomic radius is measured in nanometers, which is a very small unit of measuring length. 1 nanometer is equal to 1 by 10 power 9 meter, or 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. Atoms are so small that we cannot see them even under the most powerful optical microscope. Symbol. A symbol is a thing which represents or stands for something else. When we say the symbol of elements, it means the symbol of the atoms of the elements, because elements are made up of atoms. We'll first discuss the Dalton's symbols of elements and then the modern symbols of elements. Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols to represent elements in a short way. Dalton's symbol for an element represented the element as well as one atom of that element. Some of the symbols of elements given by Dalton are shown below. Symbols for elements were difficult to draw and inconvenient to use. So Dalton's symbols are only of historical importance. They are not used at all. It was J.J. Berzelius of Sweden who proposed that the first letter and the another letter of the name of an element be used as its symbol. This idea led to the modern symbols of elements, which are described below. Write the chemical reactions conveniently. Each element is represented by a separate symbol. The symbol of an element is the first letter and another letter of the English name or Latin name of the element. For example, the symbol of hydrogen is H, the symbol of oxygen is O. So in the case of hydrogen and oxygen, the first letters of their English names are taken as their symbols, isn't it? There are, however, some elements whose names begin with the same letter. For example, the name of the elements carbon, calcium, chlorine and copper all begin with the same letter C. In such cases, one of the element is given a one letter symbol, but all other elements are given two letter symbols. The two letters are the first letter and the another letter of the English name or Latin name of the element. Here we have to note that this another letter may or may not be the second letter of the name. The symbol of carbon is C. The symbol of calcium is Ca. which is the first and second letter of the name. The symbol of chlorine is Cl, the first and third letter of the name. The symbol of copper is Cu, that is first and second letter of its Latin name cuprum. Atomic mass of an element. Actual masses of an atoms of the elements are very small. It is not convenient to use such small and complicated figures in our calculations. Therefore, it was necessary to define atomic masses in such a way that we get simple figures for them. In order to understand the present definition of atomic mass, we should first know the meaning of carbon-12 atom. What is meant by carbon-12 atom? Carbon-12 atom is that atom of carbon which has 6 protons and 6 neutrons in its nucleus, so that its mass number is 12. Carbon-12 atom has been assigned an atomic mass of exactly 12 AMU, that is atomic mass units. Mass unit was earlier written in short as AMU, but these days atomic mass unit is denoted by the letter small u. This means that a carbon-12 atom has been assigned an atomic mass of exactly 12U. Now, atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12 the mass of the carbon-12 atom. So, 1U is equal to 1/12 the mass of the carbon-12 atom. Masses of all other elements are determined by comparing the mass of their atom with the mass of the carbon-12 atom. The atomic mass of an element is the relative mass of its atom as compared with the mass of the carbon-12 atom taken as a 12 unit. The atomic mass of an element indicates the number of times one atom of the element is heavier than 1/12 of the carbon-12 atom. For example, of magnesium is 24U, which indicates that one atom of magnesium is 24 times heavier than the 1/12 of the carbon-12 atom. It is clear from the above discussion that the present standard for the atomic masses is carbon-12 atom, which has been assigned as an atomic mass of exactly 12U. Significance of the symbol of an element. The symbol represents name of the element. Symbol represents one atom of the element. Today you have learnt about atoms, atomic radius, atomic size, symbols of the element and atomic mass. So, in the coming video we will learn many more topics. Thank you, children.